Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Today's makeup tutorial is a very simple, I won't really say simple, but a new method of applying makeup. First of all, I'm priming my face using the Huda Beauty Primer. I'm going to take my contour cream. I'm just going to apply this all over my face like in this shape method. So I'm going to do contour and highlighting, then foundation together. So I'm going to take my concealer by Juvia's Place. I'm just going to apply this at the center of my face as I'm doing right here. Now take my foundation by Decay. The Decay Naked foundation. I'm just applying this in between the contour and the concealer. Then I'm just going to blend all this into my face. This is just doing everything at the same time, and you have a seamless finish mostly if you blend well. As you can see, I'm using a beauty blender to blend this all out. Then I'm going to take a cream blush. This one is by Pixi. So I'm just going to apply this on my cheek. It's better to apply the cream before applying powder on the face. So I'm using cream product first. Then I'm going to go in with a powder, Mercier powder, translucent powder. I'm just going to use this to set the highlighted area of my face. Then I'm going to dust that out. Then I'm going to take this lovely blush palette by OPV. I'm just going to apply this on my cheek. I'm going to spray my face using the Farsali facial spray. Then I decide to do my lip first. This lipstick is by Sheglam. I'm going to take this liner by Ted Baker. Just going to give myself a beautiful wing line. This is just a simple eye makeup, just using the blush. Then to keep the eyes interesting, I'm going to do some artwork. I'm just using this liner by NYX. Then I'll apply a white waterline. Then I'll just smoke out my under eyes using the same blush. The white waterline eyeliner I use is by Decay. I'm just applying this gorgeous liner, and this one is by OPV. Name of everything I use will be at the description bar. Then I'll go back with that NYX liner, like a polka dot liner. Then I'll take the highlighter. This one is by Laura Geller. It's called Gilded Honey. It's very beautiful. Then this is the final look, guys. Very simple, and it came out really well. New method. I like it. Let me know what you think about this makeup.